I hope you're doing well and enjoy watching my video series. So in this series of BigQuery, we are going to see a built-in functions used in a BigQuery. So we'll start with the string functions which are available in BigQuery. So first we'll be seeing a concat. So concat is used to join two words together. So let's say we have a something called big as a first word and second is a query. So if we apply the functions concat, we can see that these two words will be joined together and that we can see in the output. So this is the first operations or the first functions in BigQuery. Second, we have something called upper and lower. So that will just simply do a conversion of cases. So if we say like hello in small case, so this will convert it as a uppercase. I can say that a upper column, and similarly we can have something called lowercase. So this will convert the case from upper to lower if it is the word is in uppercase. So let's demonstrate the second one that we can see the upper function is converting the string into up caps upper that we can see, and the lower will convert the word into the lowercase. And next we have something called trim. So trim is nothing but used for eliminating the white spaces that word have. So let me demonstrate that if your word contain the white spaces leading or trailing. So when we use a trim function that we can see it is avoid that we can see the spaces has been removed here. Now, the next functions we have something called substring. So, substring, we know that it is used to extract some word from actual string. So, we can see that we have a string called BigQuery, and we will have a two more argument. First will the starting argument and second will be the end argument. So, we can see that we have a starting argument from 4 and we are ending it 5. So sorry, I have not used the function called substring. So here it will be substring. And if we just execute it again, so we can see that we will be getting query only. So it start from the position 4 and it's count next 5 position and it will returns as the substring. Next string functions which we have is called replace, that will simply do a substitutions from a given word. Let's say if a string is given to us like this, I have something called ABC123 and I wanted to replace this numeric 123 with some other character. Let's say XYZ. So what I can do, I'll just add a replace string and replace with what. So here we can see have a original string as ABC123. We wanted to replace 123 with XYZ and we simply trigger this query and we can see that our original string that we can see ABC123, this is replaced 123 by XYZ. So we have output something called ABC. Now the last functions which we are going to see, split, that is something used for dividing a string of text if it separated by some delimited, right? So I can see that uh, we have a something called fruits name, apple, banana, and oranges. So all these three word we can see that separated by uh, comma. So we can have a original word which is like apple, banana, and oranges. That we can see it is delimited separated by comma. So we are splitting this three word into comma basis on the comma. So just execute that. Again, we have missed out adding the function's name. So we will add the function here split. So let me just execute that. So that we can see our original word which is apple, banana and oranges. Now basis on comma, this is splitted uh, in token way like apple, banana and oranges. If you want to specifically access some of the field, right? So we have something called offset and we can provide the token number here Let me just see if I wanted to access a banana, I will give the some index called 1.